Oh, yeah, will it grow? I want to challenge you.
So now that I have your attention, John, I mean, I knew that intro would definitely grab your attention because for some reason, my husband always seems to grab your attention.
We connect. Let's just say we connect. I like your personalities. Oh, Lord, I gotta go.
That's why my nickname for you is Portuguese Man of Want. John, why are you always looking at my husband's chest? Just stop. Because you always want my husband. That you started calling the puffer.
The fish over there is all puffering and...
You know, not all of us get to play in the water all day long, so not all of us know these terms that you can come up with, everybody. So I actually had to look up puffer fish. You know, and puffer fish, I mean, I think you tried to make it sound to other people that it was a bad thing, but when I actually looked up the puffer fish, I was like, again, John is just obsessed with my husband for some reason, because the puffer fish, it has so much poison that it can kill 30 men. One little fish, kind of pretty strong, I guess you would say. So yeah, I'm gonna agree with you. I would agree, Kenny is a puffer fish. Again, you're praising my husband. So, Portuguese Man of Want. That works for you because you always want my husband. So on our live, I told you that I didn't want to be involved in you and Kenny's grudge match.
You know. What? Keep it, yeah, like, yeah. Keep it on the down low.
So long as you keep my name out of your mouth with your all's grudge match, we're good.
You kept trying to push me into it, and I was like, nope, I'm not the one that was popping off at the mouth. This is between the two of you. Said, just leave my name out of your mouth. Well, then you go and you put out a video, and my name comes out of your mouth, not once, not twice, 5 times, John, 5 times. You've pushed me into this, so I don't have a choice at this point.
Forget that. Forget that. Eliminate that. Do you know that could be bad? Do not use any of that ever.
You leave me out of your whole thing.
Okay.
Or it's happening.
I wanted to keep this, and I wanted you to try to keep your reputation, as you called it. Yeah, I'm just going to post the things that happened on our live so that everybody can see the real John. You held your adorable little puppy up. Reminded me of something. Yeah, remember the movie Legally Blonde? You guys look just alike. Here's the full clip from our live so everybody can see it.
So does that make you the Chihuahua and him the Rottweiler?
Absolutely. Hey, take this freaking thing. No, absolutely not. Was that a setup? Please tell me that was not a setup.
You begged me not to show everybody, but didn't keep my name out of your mouth, did you?
You ever saw a Chihuahua on my lap? Forget that. Eliminate that. Do you know that could be bad? Do not use any of that ever. Imagine him making fun of me holding a little Chihuahua. Kenny, I'm giving you a heads up warning right now.
You gotta blow with the photo.
My finger is actually even twitching. Can you see that? It's actually twitching. Believe it or not, man. Don't do it.
No, if you pulled me into this, then no guarantees that my mouth isn't gonna pop off.
You totally just got the finger. Did you see that?
Oh. If I accept the challenge,
At me. Don't point at me. You point at him.
Sorry, yes. And Angie, I'm sorry, Angie. You're going to be involved in one way, shape, or another.
Well, if you're involving me, I'll tell you right now, I'm probably breaking the rules because I do what I got to do. That's why it's called doing things different.
I wanted to be the sweetheart, but you're not going to let me. And I don't get it. I don't understand why. Because I am seriously one of those girls. You pray with me. Don't play with me. So let's just go back to the friendlier times when it was just you having a man crush on my husband. And again, just leave me out of your guys' grudge match.